Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be talking about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for hyperhidrosis. What is hyperhidrosis? Hyperhidrosis is a medical condition which is characterized by excessive sweating. Sweating is normal and it is necessary as it maintains our body temperature. But people who suffer from hyperhidrosis sweat 4-5 times more than average person. It can negatively impact an individual's quality of life and has considerable impact on mental health as well as social and occupational life. Around 5% of the total population is affected by hyperhidrosis. Causes of hyperhidrosis, it has no such it can be caused because of family history. That means if anybody from your family is having this problem, then there are chances that you may also suffer from the same problem. It can also be caused because of any medical condition or a side effect of any medication. You may feel excessive sweating in the armpits, hands or feet. Symptoms may include disturbance in daily routine. People suffering from hyperhidrosis may feel emotional distress or social withdrawals. They may feel sweats for no reasons. It is a really uncomfortable condition. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. So we will be discussing two acupressure points today. Both of them are on the front side of our hand. So our first acupressure point is on our index finger. You can see this upper portion of the index finger, this upper joint of the index finger. If you draw a line from the center of this joint, then exactly in the center is our point. This point is called as P8, pericardium meridian's 8th point. Let us know it again. On the upper joint of our index finger, if you draw a straight line from the center, then exactly in the center, this is our point. This point is called as P8, pericardium 8. Our second point is on our middle finger. You can see this upper joint, same on the upper joint. You can see this upper joint of the middle finger. If you draw a straight line from the center of the middle finger, then on that line itself towards small finger is our point. First joint of our middle finger. If you draw a straight line from the center of the middle, from the center of that joint, then on that line itself towards small finger is our point. This point is called as kidney 2. This point is called as kidney 2. So what we will do on these points, with the help of a jimmy, we will press these points for 2 to 3 minutes properly. Okay. Press each point for 2 to 3 minutes properly. After that we can do seed therapy or magnet therapy on these points. So first let us discuss seed therapy. For that we will take paper tape and fenugreek seed, which you can also call it as methi dana. So take a piece of a paper tape like this. On that apply a single fenugreek seed, okay, and then place this tape on this point properly. See, like this, okay. Same way do this do on the another point also, and these points are bilateral. That means you can do on both the hands. So you can treat that these points on the other hand also. So if you are applying seed therapy, you need to apply it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it now, throw the seed and paper tape, and on the next day take new paper tape with new seed on it. Do not use the same tape again. So now let us know about magnet therapy. For that we will take this tonification sedation magnets, this small magnets, okay. They are called as Biol magnets, or you can also say it as tonification sedation magnets. If you are not having this magnets and if you want to buy this magnets, so I have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets, jimmies and all things are provided. So I have also made a video on that kit. I'll share that link in the description box. Do check that video out, and if you want to buy that And if you want to buy the kit, you can contact us. We need to lower energy on this point. So what we'll do, we'll apply magnets in such a way that from the outside you can see the yellow side of the magnet, and from the inside, that means this side will touch the skin, white side will touch the skin. Okay, so apply this properly on this point. So white side of the magnet will touch your skin, and from the outside you can see the yellow side of the magnet properly on this point also, and on other hand also. You need to apply it like that. You need to apply this magnet. You need to apply this magnet for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, throw the tape. Do not throw the magnets. Put all that magnets together so that they can energize themselves, and then you can use it for next day also. These magnets will be with you for lifetime. So you can use it again. So do not throw them. You need to do this treatment daily. Do this daily and properly. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.